Lesson: Secure archiving practices for long-term data management. Effective secure archiving practices for long-term data management are critical for organizations aiming to maintain data integrity, ensure compliance, and protect sensitive information over time. As data grows exponentially, organizations face the challenge of securely storing and managing vast amounts of information while ensuring its availability, reliability, and confidentiality. This lesson provides actionable insights, practical tools, and step-by-step frameworks to promote secure archiving practices. Secure archiving begins with a comprehensive understanding of the organization's data landscape. Identifying what data needs archiving is foundational. Not all data is created equal, and recognizing which data holds long-term value is a strategic step. Data classification tools, such as Varonis and Netwrix Auditor, can automate the identification and classification of sensitive data, thereby reducing reliance on manual processes. These tools also provide insights into data usage patterns, helping organizations make informed decisions about what data to archive and what to dispose of. Once data is classified, organizations must consider secure storage solutions. The use of cloud-based archiving solutions, such as Amazon S3 Glacier and Azure Archive Storage, offers scalable and cost-effective options for long-term data storage. These services provide robust security features, including encryption at rest and in transit, ensuring data confidentiality. Additionally, they offer compliance with international standards such as ISO IEC 27001, which is vital for organizations operating across multiple jurisdictions. Encryption plays a pivotal role in secure data archiving. Encrypting data before it is archived ensures that even if unauthorized access occurs, the data remains unreadable. Advanced encryption standard is widely adopted due to its high level of security and efficiency. Organizations should implement encryption solutions that are compliant with industry standards, such as FIPS 140-2, to enhance the security of archived data. Beyond encryption, maintaining data integrity is crucial. Hashing algorithms like SHA-256 can be used to create a unique identifier for each file, allowing organizations to detect any unauthorized changes. Integrity checks should be scheduled regularly to ensure that archived data remains unchanged. This is particularly important for legal and compliance purposes, where the authenticity of data is often scrutinized. Access control mechanisms further strengthen secure archiving practices. Implementing role-based access control ensures that only authorized personnel can access archived data. This minimizes the risk of data breaches and ensures compliance with data protection regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation. Tools like Okta and OneLogin offer robust identity and access management solutions, enabling organizations to enforce strict access controls over archived data. Retention policies are another critical aspect of secure archiving. These policies dictate how long data should be retained and when it should be disposed of. Effective retention policies are aligned with legal requirements and organizational needs. For instance, financial records may need to be kept for 7 years, while other types of data may have shorter retention periods. Automated tools, such as Iron Mountain's policy management solutions, can help enforce retention policies, ensuring that data is retained and disposed of in accordance with regulatory and organizational requirements. Auditing and monitoring are essential components of a secure archiving strategy. Regular audits help identify potential vulnerabilities and ensure compliance with established policies. Monitoring tools, such as Splunk and LogRhythm, provide real-time insights into data access and usage patterns, enabling organizations to detect and respond to suspicious activities promptly. These tools also facilitate the creation of audit trails, which are crucial for demonstrating compliance during external audits. Case studies highlight the importance of secure archiving practices. For example, a healthcare organization faced significant financial penalties due to a data breach involving archived patient records. The breach resulted from inadequate access controls and a lack of encryption, underscoring the need for comprehensive security measures in archival systems. By implementing robust encryption and access control mechanisms, the organization was able to enhance its data security posture and prevent future breaches. Statistics further emphasize the need for secure archiving. According to a study by IBM Security, the average cost of a data breach in 2023 was $4.45 million, with compromised archives contributing significantly to these costs. This highlights the financial implications of insufficient archiving practices and underscores the importance of investing in secure archiving solutions. In addition to technical measures, organizations should foster a culture of data security and privacy. Regular training and awareness programs can educate employees about the importance of secure archiving practices and their role in protecting sensitive information. This empowers employees to identify potential risks and adhere to established policies. Frameworks such as NIST's cybersecurity framework provide a structured approach to secure archiving. This framework emphasizes the importance of identifying, protecting, detecting, responding to, and recovering from cybersecurity threats. By integrating these principles into their archiving practices, organizations can enhance their overall security posture and ensure the long-term protection of archived data. In conclusion, secure archiving practices for long-term data management are essential for protecting sensitive information, ensuring compliance, and mitigating risks. By leveraging data classification tools, cloud-based storage solutions, encryption, access controls, retention policies, and auditing mechanisms, organizations can establish robust archiving practices. Case studies and statistics illustrate the tangible benefits of secure archiving, while frameworks like NIST's cybersecurity framework provide structured guidance. Ultimately, fostering a culture of data security and privacy is crucial for the success of any archiving strategy.